I got a call from one of our clients saying, hey, I had an interaction with Harvey Weinstein when I was very young. I was 18 years old, just flown to France with Jeffrey Epstein under coercion and duress at all times. My entire life was controlled by Jeffrey Epstein. And he said, I have a friend, a close friend of mine in a room, go give him a massage. And this is the girl talking, says, I went in to give him a massage and he threw $20 at me and said, you're going to fill in the blank with sexual acts. And she said no and ended up running out and telling Jeffrey Epstein, Jeffrey then went back in the room, kicked Harvey out of his house, said, get the F out of here.